Can you buy this in like stores? Like if I go to a restaurant, can I order this?
In some restaurants, yeah.
Perfect.
Bro, you can make that. You just learned how to make it.
That's all the whole purpose of that.
This is Andy. Andy messaged me a little while ago and asked if I wanted to come to Tirana to do some, learn how to cook some Albanian food. This is Andy's sister. She's, how do you always say, she's not a professional chef, but she knows how to cook. But she's talented, she knows how to cook. So they're gonna be teaching me how to make some Albanian food. All right, where do we start?
So we will start with tafkosi.
Tafkosi.
Okay. Tafkosi comes in a hot bowl. It's a mix of yogurt, rice, and meat. That can be either lamb or beef. The meat comes into option because you know the Albanian terrain is different, so it depends on the area you are.
Of course.
It's more handy for you to have either sheep, either lamb or beef. The tafkosi is in oven, so it will be on the oven for 20 minutes, and in the same time we are preparing the dough for the pie, traditional pie, or burek as we call it.
Would this be burek or would this be lakror?
This is lakror, and this came from the southeast of Albania. This is the typical region when we find this dish. So we have different kind of greens to prepare our fillings. We have the spicy ones here. Then we have a very local green found in the areas around Tirana. Then we have some spinach and mint. So all the filling will be prepared by 1, 2, 3, 4 types of different greens, okay?
This particular one right here is one of those plants that when you touch it, it stings you. You get, I guess it poisons you or whatever, but Andy, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that when you boil it, it loses that property.
Yeah.
So we put it on the inside of this lakror and then we can eat it. Fun fact, the very first time I ate lakror, didn't know what it was, 2 years ago in the mountains, and they told me I was eating stinging nettles. So, what are we making for dessert?
Now we are on the dessert part. We are preparing sheqerpare, a very traditional Albanian dessert. If you translate the name, means sugar coins, because the main ingredients are flour, eggs, sugar, some melted butter, and some nuts as well, some mix of dried fruit. After it's been baked, this liquid is basically hot water, and we mix some quantity of sugar that Cindy will show us. Okay?
Now comes the most exciting part about this video, when we get to eat the food that's just been made. Since I can't eat the tacos. Everyone okay?
Everyone fine.
Since I can't eat the tafkosi, then Tino's gonna have to eat it for me as soon as he gets off his phone.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect. I need to start recording the voice, right?
This is actually 99 good. This is mad. Like, whoa.
If you decide that you want to come have this experience, you'll actually be doing the cooking yourself with direction from Andy and Cindy, but you'll be making the food that you eat. For more information on how you can sign up for one of these cooking classes, go to the link in my description and check out Andy's site. I will see you guys next week.